Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We will talk about order of
operations.
multiply and divide, math practice, rules for multiplying integers. What are they, Lina? Do you know those signs there?
Yeah, I think I do.
So,
I think the plus sign means positive and the negative, and this one, the one with the minus one, is negative.
yeah, and this is multiply.
Yeah.
Okay, the sign of integers are that one. So can you please also go more? Yeah. So when you multiply numbers, it's important to know whether they are positive or negative. Right? More please.
Yeah. Okay,
Can you read?
Multiplying two positive numbers. Okay.
So answer signs, the answer is positive. So if you multiply two positive numbers, it will be positive.
Yeah.
Like it shows there.
Positive.
7 times 5 times 7 is 35.
Yeah.
Positive 5 times positive 7 is positive 35. Good. So both numbers are positive, so the number is also positive. So,
okay, 2.
What is it?
Multiplying two negative numbers equals, let's guess.
Positive.
Yeah.
So, negative 6 times negative 4 equal to positive 24.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And there
so
it
when
is.
you multiply by 2 for negative numbers, the number becomes positive. So what is the next one?
The next one? Oh yeah, and that we accidentally, it's number 3.
Yeah. So what is that? Multiplying a positive number by negative number would
I think that would be negative.
Yeah, you're right. So positive 3 times negative 5 would be negative 15.
And then there you go.
Yeah. The same rule's gonna apply for the next one too. What is that?
That is number 4, multiplying a negative number by a positive number again, which is a negative.
Yeah, so negative 4 times positive 9 becomes negative 36. So those are the rules for the multiplying integers. Okay, so let's see if we have more.
How did that happen?
Keep going. Yeah. So what is the summary, Lina? What we learned?
Okay, two positive. Two positives. When you multiply two positive numbers, the answer will always be positive. Two negative numbers.
Always.
When you multiply
two
negative numbers,
positive.
The answer will always be positive. Two negatives make a positive.
Yeah. So the next one positive and one negative. When you multiply positive number and a negative number in any order, the answer is always negative. So that's the summary for today's video.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see the next. So that's all. So hope you learn positive times positive, positive negative times negative, and positive times negative, and negative times.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.